Hi guys, Sithix6 here, and I'm doing my daily Rubik's Cube solve. Once again, this is a random solve, or a random scramble. And I think that's mixed up enough. What do y'all think? Is this a good scramble? Maybe this? Okay, let's begin. I'm going to be doing my inspection. If it takes too long, I will fast forward my inspection. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I did horrible. I did really bad. Bro, I'm getting worse. I gotta get good. What's wrong with me? Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.